Complaining about there's not a change in my health is one of those things that I feel like I've been so comfortable in. And when I say, oh, I'm working on it, sometimes I am and sometimes I'm not. That's the reality of it, right? Like, I just think that the weight's just gonna fall off. I'm laying here in bed. It's 5 o'clock at night. I'm about to get up. I'm about to work out. My phone got charged up a little bit, so I'm gonna set a 30-minute timer. Then we're gonna get ready because we're about to do 35 minutes of our weighted hula hoop. Because it has to start somewhere. I can't be lazy every damn time. Let's get started. You're not actually hungry. Yes, I am. I promise you, you're not. You haven't drunk water in the past 4 hours and you've been on your feet the entire time. Drink some water. I wasn't trying to make myself a match, but I got blue on blue. So let's go work out. My phone is charged up to like 60%. We can handle that. We can do that. Let's go do that, okay? So my hula hoop is in this tote under a lot of other stuff. We about to still work out, but we're about to do something else. It's like after 25, my health has definitely declined. I don't know what has happened. I know what I'm not doing. I mean, we can see what I'm not doing. But what I will do moving forward is I'm going to just choose the better option. I mean, the better option was not for me to just lay in this bed until I went to sleep. Like, no. Like, I felt like I was just wasting away my day. And I didn't like that. When you're not going to put yourself first, it shows up in many different areas in your life. And for me, that may look like I just say, F it. I haven't worked out all week. F it. I'm just not going to eat right either. F it. You know, and putting it in the fucking button is not always the best solution to the problem. Because if we want to lose weight, if we want to be healthier, if we want to see ourselves at those goals, we have to do the work. Now that we've complained about it, it's like, what's next? What's next? If we're gonna be all sad that we didn't lose the weight in the week that we thought we were gonna lose it, what's next? Because there has to be some change. You have to shift that mindset. And if you're not shifting that mindset, nothing else will go right. And that is what I'm learning. That is what I'm going through currently. Day might not have started off well, but you're ending strong, and that's what matters. When I do these videos, I need y'all to understand. I'm doing this for me, and I'm doing this for you. Because I go onto social media and I seek out bigger bodies that are on weight loss journeys, that are actively in that struggle, that beginning stage, that, like, you know what I'm saying? Because I feel like there's there's more motivation there right there. Yes, seeing that number change is big. Seeing the clothes fit differently, that's big. But at the same time, when you are actually 300 something pounds and you're trying to get that weight off of you, and then you try to go to social media to see bodies that are just as big as you, that is motivation for me. Okay, so I am your 300-pound buddy. I am going to get us under 200 pounds. I'm going to get us closest to 190 as possible. Okay, that is the longest term goal. But the short term, baby, we're trying to just get under 300. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. So today was a reflection day. Today for me was like I didn't eat terrible. I'm taking my air fryer being out of commission right now as something so literal. Like, I don't know how to use a damn oven. So, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I made choices today that I shouldn't have made. And I was like, I'm not like the damn, like, I ain't got no damn oven. What the heck? So we're making changes. We're adjusting. That's the beauty of the journey. Is that it is a journey. It is something that you can adjust and make those changes every single day and show up for yourself every single day. And that's all we're doing here. That is it. But I'm about to go hydrate because that is very, very important. And I'll see you on episode 4 of the Health-tober series.